Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making baked potatoes in the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid so that we have a crispy baked potato on the outside. They're super delicious, easy to make, great for the entire family, and you can make as many as you want in the Instant Pot. What's there not to love about that? So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments what you like on your instant or on your baked potatoes. But if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, make sure you check the description box below. I will have links to everything I used in the video, and if I don't, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure I add that for you. But let's go ahead and dive right into making these crispy baked potatoes in the air fryer lid. Okay, so to get started, we're only going to need our potatoes, a cup of water, so that's 1 cup of water, and our trivet. So I'm just putting my trivet in there. We're going to start by pouring the 1 cup of water. And you can have multiple potatoes. I'm just using 2 because I don't want to waste, especially right now. So we are going to seal it and pressure cook. Now, I will do my best to add a chart with the time that you should use for potatoes. There's obviously different sizes of potatoes. So medium to largish potatoes, you can typically get away with 12 to 16 minutes of pressure cooking. So we are going to do 15 minutes. Let me actually show you. I'm doing 2. These are about medium-sized potatoes. So, before we do that, I'm actually going to poke a hole in them. I forgot. Thank goodness I remembered and I showed you. You have to poke holes in them, otherwise they don't explode, but they do crack open everywhere. And you can tell that pressure just built up in them. I mean, we are putting it in a pressure cooker, so make sure you poke them with a fork as many times as you want to. I usually do a few on each side and then at the tops and the corners. And you want to make sure your potatoes are washed. I already washed them before. Okay. Alright, now we can add our potatoes. But 15 minutes for these. So we're going to do 15. Pressure cook. 15. Alright, so we'll be back in 15 minutes and then we can bring out our air fryer lid and crisp them up, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and release the pressure. We are going to need salt and some oil so that we can crisp it up with the air fryer lid. Just waiting for pressure to release. Alright. Fairly quick. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the liquid that's inside, and then we can go ahead and prepare our potatoes with the salt and oil. Alright, so I went ahead and I removed all the liquid from the Instant Pot. Let me actually come around here. And this is where you can spray, or if you have a brush, I have this nifty little brush that I like to use, but because I have the spray, this is the brush that I use. It's a silicone brush. I bought this at the Dollar Tree. Super handy. But if you don't have that and you have the oil spray, or if you just have oil, you can, they're hot. So that's the thing, is that you can kind of lightly, just quickly go over rubbing them. Remember, they're hot, so please be careful. Use that at your discretion. I'm not advising to touch a hot potato. Alright, then you can just get some salt. Alright. I already did that side. And just quickly go over it. Then we're going to bring our potatoes back in here. You can put them back on the trivet, it really doesn't matter. And let me clean my hand off really quick. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and select air fry. We're going to raise the temperature to 390 degrees and we're going to set it to 8 minutes and hit start. Alright, we'll be back in 8 minutes. Alright, so there's 2 minutes to go. I want to show you the potatoes. They're nice and crispy now. So you can take them out. So it's 6 minutes total and cut into them. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut them and we are going to add butter and cheese. Alright, so let me actually get a plate. A knife over here. I'm very limited in space, guys, so let me actually move that over. I want to make sure that this is in frame. I'll bring these out and adjust the camera so that we could take a look. Alright, so now we have our potatoes. I'm going to add some butter here, and then I'm going to pinch them back together and put them back in the air fryer because I'm going to let the air fryer do all the work in melting the butter and the cheese. So I'm going to take some cheese here, just pack it on. Can never have too much cheese, right? Okay. Now you can do this in the air fryer. That's totally up to you. Might be a little bit less messy, but do that. Oh. Alright, let's go back to the air fryer. Okay, so our air fryer turned off because we had it idle too long. So let's go ahead and do 390 degrees for 8 minutes. You can do 6 minutes, but we're going to do, actually let's do 6 minutes. Hit start and we'll be back. Alright, and there are our potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and bring them out and let's take a closer look. Alright, and here we have it. We have our baked potatoes. I'll go ahead and give you guys a closer look. That is how you would make crispy air fryer, or basically baked potatoes in the Instant Pot using the pressure cooking function of the Instant Pot and the air fryer lid for the air fry portion. Now you do have the option, you could air fry for 45 minutes or you could bake. You could bake and then decide to air fry right after. It's about 45 minutes as well. Similar timing. And then if you wanted to top with sour cream, green onions, there's so many things that you can do. You know, this is where you can be creative with your food. So definitely suggest making these. This is for my husband and my friend, so I am going to save these. I can't take a bite, you guys, but I promise you they're delicious. They look delicious and they smell so good. But this is how you would make them in the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews, every single week this year, 2020. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you like on your baked potatoes. Until next time, you guys have a great night.